Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow access to a Google form only for limited members only. So if you want to restrict access to specific people or groups, you can just follow these methods that I'm going to show you through this video. The first method, you can just, if you want to restrict access to a specific email address, uh, it is best for if you want to only share your form into small groups. You can just open the form and then go to the settings tab in here. And then under the responses in here, you can just click on this drop down and enable the collect email addresses options. And you can just turn it on, and you can choose to restrict to user in your domain if you are using a Google Workspace account. And you can after that just click on send and add specific email addresses. You can share the link only with selected users. The second method, you can use Google Drive sharing permissions, and this is advanced restriction. So you can just open the forms and then click on the publish. And in here, you can just tap on manage, and you can just copy the link in here. Click on this, click on copy or get link, and after that you can just select restricted. From here you can just click on manage and choose restricted and add people or enter the emails of those who should access this form, this one's right here. And then the third method, you can require enable password, so they will require or they will need to enter a password to access the forms. So what you need to do is just add, you can just because Google Form doesn't have a built-in password feature, so you can just add a short answer questions in here at the start. For example, I'm going to just add questions in from here. You can write something like this: enter the passcode. You can go with this, so they will need to answer this question. And after this, you can just click on this three dots icon and choose response validations. So what you need to do is here, you can just click on this tags, contains, and in here you can just enter the password, for example, secret 123. So beforehand you need to tell them the password that they can need to enter from on the form. So users must enter the correct password to proceed. And the next or the last method, you can use Google Apps Script to use auto reject unauthorized user, but this is for advanced method, so you can write a Google Apps Script that checks user emails and automatically rejects unauthorized ones. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.